Welcome back, and if you're new here, this is Hitman's Bonsai Journey. Today, I've got this year-old black pine. We're going to put him into a pond basket, and we're going to mix these soils up here to make the substrate. So let's get on with it. Right, I've got pumice here. It's 40% this. Bit of that. Should have bought a bigger tub. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it in there, I think. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it down there. Don't know if you can see that or not. Bit of perlite. Very light, that is. Blow it. Blow away. And a bit of this. About that. Just mix it together. I'm going to chuck a bit more of that in. Can you see what I'm doing there? Hopefully you can. Yeah, that looks lovely. Right, let's get this. I have to be gentle with it because I don't want to break it. It's very new roots. Where's my little prodder? There she is. Super. What we got in here? Oh, that's breaking a bit. Lovely. Let's get rid of that. Check it over that side. I know the sound ain't very good, but there you go. See a little roots on that? These plants don't like, what you call it, soggy soil. They like to be like it moist, not swamp. So that's why we're going to put it in this substrate here. It'll keep some of the moisture, but it lets it flow through. It lets the water flow through, and the air. Having issues here. Should have brought a flipping knife out with me. go. And we're going to put it in one of these pond baskets. Take the sticker off. I don't know how to do it. I'm going to put it in one of these pond baskets because you've got all these holes in it. And what will happen is the roots will get to, as far as these holes, and it'll cut them off and then build the roots a little bit further back on the root. So we just fill this basket up. Make a little hole. Stick them where I want it. Fill it up. Put them up. I'm bending them over for a reason, that they'll go towards the sun. So we're sort of bending the trunk naturally. And black pines love a bit of wind as well. And when I stick them out here in the summer, I'm going to keep them indoors for a little while until I don't want them getting frostbitten. And kill them off. And that's it for the day. There we go. Black pine in here. And as I say, the roots it helps encouraging the roots to build, to make a thicker trunk and better foliage on the top. And when the roots come out to the side and start poking out, it's called, I think it's air-pruning for the roots. It just means when they'll say if your root comes out like that, it'll cut it off there and it'll spread out another couple outside. So it'll encourage root growth as well. Right, I've just made a bit too much of that, but I can always use it later on as well. It'll stay in there for about 4 to 5 years, but I will be keeping an eye on them as well. So you'll see them again. I'll keep you updated with them as well. Any tips, tricks? Just put them in the comment section. You know, like, subscribe, share, and there should be a video about there, according to YouTube. Right, I'll see you again. Right, bye.